Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. It's hard to control the odor from the cat box, and that's why we love this Arm & Hammer Forever Fresh Clumping Cat Litter, because the scent is so good at covering over the strong odors that come from the box. I love the lavender scent and that it has essential oils in it. The litter is also great at clumping, which makes it so much easier to clean out. It's a very manageable 18-pound size, and it has great handle for carrying and for pouring. It also has a perforated pull tab at the top to open the box, so it makes it easy to pour and also to be able to close it back up. This Arm & Hammer Forever Fresh cat litter has worked so well for us in masking the odors coming from our cat closet, and it makes it easier for me to keep it clean. And that's my point of view.